It's a brand new weekend and we're getting productive. It's been a whole week since I've actually breathed outside air. She like makes me crave fast food so much.
I love the feeling it gives me.
Jump scare! My 100K YouTube plaque. I'm gonna cry. I'm a strong independent woman right now.
Try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end?
Good morning, guys. It's a brand new weekend and we're getting productive. This weekend's reset, I have got a lot of things to do. We've got to do laundry, we've got to clean the room, a lot of organizing. I got to assemble my new standing desk and like literally so many things. And it's going to be quite exhausting mentally and physically. And that means we're going to have to stay hydrated. And you guys know that's literally the hardest thing in the world for me to do. I'm the worst when it comes to drinking water. And the girlies at Liquid IV know that, okay? They wanted to make sure I was drinking my water so bad and keeping my body hydrated, and I absolutely love Liquid IV. These little packets are amazing. They're so convenient, they're so easy to use, and they're just perfect for throwing in my bag, and they taste really good too. Anyway, I'm using the sugar-free version today, and there are so many yummy flavors. We have
white peach, lemon lime, raspberry lemon, and green grape.
And right now, green grape is really calling my name. Hello? Oh, cutie. Cutie, beautiful. We love her. It's so easy to use, okay? First, obviously, you have to tear open the packet. I got my glass of water. I like to use really cold water. I just feel like it tastes really good. Just a very like refreshing vibe. This is about 16 ounces of water, and you just pour your packet in here. Go, girl, go. Stir her up. And there you have it, a crisp, cold glass of green grape Liquid IV, sugar-free by the way. Yeah, cheers. Yes, I can feel my body getting hydrated as I literally sip on this. And it's perfect for a long day of chores. So without further ado, let's get to work. I'm trying to figure out what to eat. And literally in my fridge, there is nothing. I mean, I could eat yogurt, but that's just depressing and sad. Like, why did my parents leave a cake and a basket of grapes? I'm so tempted right now to just like get Chipotle. Like, that sounds so good right now. Or like Taco Bell, I don't know. But I keep seeing, like, you guys know Reagan on TikTok, like Reg777, that's her username. She like makes me crave fast food so much because of her mukbangs, and I really want Chipotle. Like, the idea of eating a bowl right now sounds so good. But listen, would it be irresponsible of me to get Chipotle because my parents are out of town? Like, I know they're gonna come in and they're gonna be like, what did you eat? Oh, actually, no. You know what they do? I eat like my food and I put the trash in the trash can. My parents will literally look in the trash. They'll be like, oh, it looks like someone ate Taco Bell today. Someone ate blah, blah, blah today. Or like if I made a ramen, they'll see the ramen packet in the trash and then I'll be like, yeah, guilty. Like, why am I resorted to hiding the trash now? I'm freaking an adult. Why do I feel like this? Like, okay, sorry. Why did I get all heated for a moment? Sorry. Anyway, I think I'm just getting hungry. Like, what am I gonna eat? What should we eat? Beanie, please tell me what we should eat. That sounds like Chipotle to me. Okay, I'm in the freaking car if you couldn't freaking tell. Sorry. I don't know why I'm giving so much attitude today. Anyway, I was also thinking like, okay, you know what? I haven't left the house since I got back from Florida. It's been a whole week since I've actually breathed outside air. So I think this is just a good excuse for me to like actually see the world. You know what I mean? Like, look, there's clouds and trees behind me. It's kind of fabulous, actually. Anyway, it's getting way too hot in this car. Okay, yeah. Oh! What's going on? Sorry, my dad likes to listen to the classical music station, and low-key me too. Like, sometimes it's a little relaxing, you know, and I feel like I'm getting smarter when I'm listening to it. Anyway, it's time to go to Chipotle! Yeah, so I'll see you when I get my order. Never figure out which way it goes. Secured. Hello. I made myself a little dessert bowl thing. It's like yogurt and berries. So yeah, this is the vibe. My parents are still not home. It's 8:30. Anyway, I'm gonna head to sleep because I'm so tired. Last night I stayed up really late just playing Sims. So I gotta sleep early tonight. But tomorrow's gonna be another productive day. Don't you worry. I'm gonna set up my desk tomorrow for sure, okay? You need to make sure that I'm setting up my desk tomorrow because if I'm not, sorry. Is that better? If I'm not, then I mean, you can't do anything about it, but I would be very disappointed in myself. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow morning, and we'll have another productive day. Good night. Mwah. I have a love-hate relationship with this because it's so fizzy and I hate fizzy drinks. I hate soda, like carbonation, and it's cold. But I love the feeling it gives me, you know? This is unhealthy. Jump scare. Yes, I did my makeup. I did my hair. It's hot. It's sweaty. But guys, I am like so excited to show you guys. This is my 100K YouTube plaque. And I'm so excited. Oh my God. Like, I don't think you understand how excited I am to open this up. My entire life, all I have ever wanted was this. The only thing I've ever wanted, all my dreams, hopes, goals, just sitting in my room. Like, what do you mean? Okay. Before I open this, I just wanted to say thank you so freaking much for everything and all of your support. I literally could have not gotten this without your support, because it's literally like, you are the reason. Like this, the reason why I have this right now is because of you, girl. So let's open her up. Because like you are the reason why that I have this, I don't deserve to see it first. Like I think you deserve to see it first, because like obviously, right? Okay, we're gonna do a little reveal. Okay, a little foam on top. You ready? I'm gonna hide behind the camera. You ready? Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Is it beautiful? Tell me if it's beautiful. I already know it's beautiful, but tell me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop, guys. What do you mean? Literally, what do you mean? They spelled my name wrong. Just kidding. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Guys, I'm gonna cry. This is literally a true hallmark of all the hard work and effort that I put into this channel. And I am so grateful for everything and all of you. I have no words. Like I don't even have the words to speak right now. I am just so happy. Oh my god, I don't even know where I want to put this. Ugh. Okay, anyway, thank you so freaking much. Okay, we are setting up the standing desk finally, okay? You guys know that it's been in that freaking corner for months, but now we are finally setting it up. Beanie is loving all of the little packaging things. He's just having so much fun. I was like unpacking all this stuff, but I'm like realizing like I should probably clean up the original desk that I have right now. So let me first get rid of this and then we can set up the actual desk. Okay guys, I'm like, I think halfway done setting this up. There's just a lot of screws and this just takes a long time for me to screw them in because of my nails. But we're getting there. This is the table, by the way. It's such a pretty color. But right now I'm screwing the legs onto the tabletop. My fingers hurt, but it's fine. And I'm also very sweaty right now. You know, like if John was here, he would basically help me do this all. But unfortunately, I'm a strong, independent woman right now. So I'm gonna have to do this by myself. Right, Beanie? Huh? Yeah. It's starting to get to the point where this is very confusing, and that always happens when there's a lot of cables and plugs involved. Don't know what this is. This is supposed to be the controller, I'm pretty sure. Oh, this is the handset. Oh, wait, why couldn't they? Oh, okay. Just kidding, that's my fault. All right, back to it. Okay, I put foam pads underneath so I can just slide it without scratching the floor. Ugh. Hey guys, guess what? I just set up my standing desk. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, I love this. Like my posture is gonna be phenomenal. I didn't really screw in everything properly, so I'm gonna do that right now, but it's just so sweaty. I'm tired, but gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta keep up this productive energy that we have this weekend. So yeah, amazing. I'm currently setting up my desk, and this is the vibe. Gotta put my monitor up. Ugh. Now that I'm thinking about this, low-key, I need a new monitor. And not because I want a new monitor, it's because this screen is not big enough for me. I need a massive screen. I think the best workflow for me would be like 2 screens the same size as this, but I'm thinking like maybe I should just like get 1 screen just a little bit bigger. But I mean, for now this works, it's fine. And everything should be set up soon, and I can get back to work. finally taking off my socks after a long day. It's my favorite thing ever. Oh my god. I force myself not to take off my socks because I feel like the ritual of me getting into bed is me taking off my socks. Because if I take off my socks before I go to sleep, I'm just gonna like want to go to sleep, if that makes sense. But anyway, this is the arsenal for the perfect night in. Okay. Glass of ice cold water in a clear glass. Okay. It's very important that it's clear. It just tastes so much more crisp. Anyway, and then what we have here, a book. I took off the cover because I don't like that like plastic sheet cover. But this book is called Rework and I'm still reading it since Hawaii. Yeah, I'm really not that far in here. And then we've got our trusty iPad and the new case that I put on actually today. It's from Tom Talk. So if we want to play Sims, or if we decide that we don't want to read and we just want to watch some Netflix, we have our iPad right here. And then the last thing is my trusty Kiehl's butter mask for lips. This is just like my lip mask that I put on at nighttime. I love it and I've had it for like over a year and I just hit the bottom. It's so good. And I love the scent is so good too. Anyway, today is coming to a close. I'm gonna read a few pages of this book or more depending on how into it I get and then go to sleep. I don't even know what time it is. It's 9:15. I want to try to like go to sleep by 10 so I can wake up early tomorrow and work out again. Just get back into the hang of things, you know. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. Good night. See you. Bye.